John from Foley Hardware and Home, and tonight we're going to be cooking some chicken breasts and chicken wings on the grill. I'm going to be using the rotisserie on the Napoleon grill, and I'm going to light it now, get everything started, and go inside and get the chicken ready. We're going to be using the Napoleon gas grill today, and I'm going to be using the rotisserie. So I'm going to take out this shelf, put it over here, and I'm just lighting the back burner, which is just for the rotisserie. I am going to light the other ones just to help to warm it up, but for now, back burner lit. This is snapjet ignition, so it just push and click, and it gives a big boost of gas to go up the burner to light, so a very efficient system to light in. So I'm going to turn these down to medium. I just want to get the whole grill warmed up. And we'll bring the rotisserie out and get the chicken wings going. So I'm doing the prep work inside now for the rotisserie chicken wings. We're also going to do some breasts. I'm going to do those on the grill. I'll turn up one side. And I'm just going to get them from the packaging into these baskets, which are going to be the rotisserie baskets. Get the skewer set in there, and then we'll go out and put it on the grill. Okay, so I got the wings in the basket. I've cut up into thirds 2 large chicken breasts with bones, so they cook faster. They'll cook about the same time as the chicken wings, so we're gonna go put them on the grill. The grill is all set up. We just have to put this into the rotisserie. It's nice and hot now. And then turn the rotisserie on at the end. I'm going to leave the outside burners on, so I'm going to put some chicken on either side of the grill, on the outside 2 burners, on low. I'm going to go low and slow for about 40 minutes. See you soon.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's been 40 minutes, and checked it a little bit in between. I think they're ready. They're turning golden brown on the inside. These pieces are definitely ready. I'm going to take them off the grill. I've got my heat-resistant gloves here, so I can grab this rotisserie when I need to. Put these on the side. I'm going to turn off the rotisserie, shut the grill down, put the basket onto this nice cutting board, and we're going to bring them inside and empty them out. So now I have them inside. I'm ready to take them out. I'm just going to loosen up the screws on this bar that goes through. Put that in the sink, it's very hot. Open the top of this. And then look at that, look at these beautiful chicken wings, all crispy brown. None of them are burnt, they're all cooked evenly. I have the chicken breasts on the outside, done just right. And we're gonna serve this with a little dill, some dill pickles that are chopped up in the sauce, and a little bit of spice and low-fat yogurt, Greek yogurt, 2%. So non-fattening, delicious, they're perfect with the